boo-boo, you want a flawless face, but you're also applying makeup directly to a dry face like this one, and blending your product with your fingers. I didn't want to say it, but I had to. You must be stopped. We're going to start off with our toning pads, and these are from Skin Food. And when I say obsessed, I mean obsessed. Depending how much time you have, you either want to let them sit on your face while you do your eyebrows. Today, I don't have a lot of time. I have 2 toddlers waiting for me to go outside and play bubbles. We're on tight time today. We're going to come all the way down to your neck. Don't forget your neck. We're going to go in. I need to do it. Benefit, if you see this, sponsor your girl. This is my jam. And I put on so many people, it's not even funny. I'm running low and I'm on a budget. When you have 4 children, you can't be spending so much money on yourself like this. Don't get me wrong. Every now and again, I hit myself with, you deserve it, queen. You deserve it. Just like that, we went from what the hell to, girl, your eyebrows mean business. And that's it. We don't do any filling, no nothing, because all we need is this. Next up, we're going in with our serum, also from Skin Food. We are going to play. I'm going in with the concealer that's as close to my skin. And this is the Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer from Danessa Myricks. I'm just going in with this neutral shade from ColourPop all over my lid. We're going to go in with our Rice Brightening Cream. I'm going to go ahead and use the Skin Lip Amplifying Serum as well. And last but not least, we have our SPF. I'm going to use the CL SPF and primer for my face. And then I'm going to use the Abib for my neck. Do y'all see the face? She's that girl. We're going to let all the products sink in. And I'm going to go and finish off my eyes, which include my mascara. I'm not going to lie. The face looks so good, I don't even want to put makeup on. But the purpose of this video is to show you guys how to get a flawless base. So I must. Today's base is going to be the CL, and this is the Tint and Protect. These are the Morphe brushes that I'm using. Their newest line, and they did their thing with them. I promise you, just because bottles tell you that you can use your fingers doesn't mean you should do it. So the key to a flawless under eye is going in with the brush first, and then going in with this little puff and removing any excess, so that when you go in with your setting powder, it looks flawless. My babies are still waiting for me. I'm taking my time. Let me hurry up. I'm going to use my One Size Ultra Pink powder. I always open it upside down because I'm not wasting any powder. Almost done, okay, guys? Dab the excess on my hand. Press on my T-zone always. And on here, because this is where I get the most oily. Going in with my favorite blush. Tap excess and come on in here. Something's getting delivered. You see this? It just needs that extra. Not too much. Just the perfect amount. I love this blush. You know how like some brands are like used for 18 months? I'm going to use it until it's done. My skin just going to have to deal with it. But I need that extra. And that's on my Fenty. This is the daiquiri dip. I just want a little kick. And that right there, y'all want your makeup to last all day? This is going to be your best friend. I go on runs, I work out, and I'm sweating bullets, but this keeps my makeup intact. We're going to go in with our lip, so I'm going to remove my lip serum. Also, I just realized I didn't do any bronzer, and I'm not mad at it. I think we're going to just leave it like this. I think we're going to go in with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Fresh Fig. And then we're going to go in with one of these colors that I just got. And I think I'm going to do, should I do this red one? Yes, I'll do this one. Ooh.
I love wine. Sometimes I love wine.
You want some? Smell it.
I love the smell.
So what did we learn today? Skincare equals perfect base. Say with me. Skincare equals perfect base. And use a brush. Don't use your fingers. Bye.